Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare VOO with VTI. So as you can see here, the expense ratio is same for both. Asset under management is better for VTI, and also number of holdings is larger for VTI comparing to the VOO. Then you can have dividend yield here. It's just a little bit better for VTI. Dividend growth you have better for VTI, just not much. Volatility is similar, and when you're going to look here for the sector allocation is also very similar, and where you see here the top 10 holdings are also very similar, and then you're going to have the top 10 is 35% of the fund for VOO, and with the VTI you have only 30%, and you have the market coverage is higher for, like, you have just more holdings for VTI. And then you see also the performance here, and when you're gonna look here for the 100k investment value, you have it also very similar, like for both. So that's pretty much it what I want to share with you. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and goodbye.